Power meets precision in the ultimate CPU showdown. Today, we're diving into the AMD Ryzen 9 9950X versus Intel's Core Ultra 9 285K. If you're a creator, gamer, or just love pushing your PC to the max, this is for you. Let's break down the specs of these two beasts. The Ryzen 9 9950X boasts 16 cores and 32 threads, hitting 5.7 GHz with PCIe 5.0 support. On the flip side, Intel's Ultra 9 285K has 24 cores and can boost up to 5.8 GHz with AI acceleration. Both look impressive on paper, but how do they perform in real life? In productivity tasks like 4K video editing, the Ryzen 9 9950X shines with its multi-threading power. It handles heavy workloads effortlessly while keeping cool under pressure. Intel's Ultra 9 285K excels in AI tasks thanks to its efficient E-cores and AI boost engine. For creators mixing editing and AI, it's a strong contender. When it comes to gaming, both CPUs deliver amazing frame rates with high-end GPUs. The Ryzen 9950X is efficient and smooth for multitasking, while Intel's chip edges out in pure FPS. But honestly, your GPU will likely bottleneck before either CPU does. Thermals matter too. The Ryzen 9950X runs cooler with a lower power draw. Intel's chip may consume more power, but it offers top-tier burst performance with good cooling. Both CPUs benefit from premium cooling solutions and high-end VRMs. Looking at platform longevity, AMD's AM5 is a win for future upgrades. Intel's LGA 1851 is new, but their socket changes can be hit or miss. In terms of long-term value, AMD takes the lead. So, who's the winner? The Ryzen 9 9950X is perfect for creators and multitaskers who value efficiency. The Intel Core Ultra 9 285K is for those chasing top gaming performance and AI capabilities. Both are incredible, but Ryzen takes the crown for balanced performance and value. Ready to upgrade your build? Check out the links in the description for the best deals. Smart performance, smart choice, SmartSkillPath.